Hi everyone, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to enable price alerts on Bitget. Setting up price alerts helps you stay informed about market changes without constantly checking the app. So, let's get started on how to enable price alerts on Bitget. First, open the Bitget app on your device. Tap on the menu icon from the top left corner of your screen. At the top, tap on your username and go to the User Center. Now, go to the Notifications section. Here, you will see the Price Alerts option. Tap on the toggle switch right next to it to turn it on. When the switch turns blue, Price Alerts are now enabled. And this is how you can enable Price Alerts on Bitget. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.